Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kelly Jessamy. My current job title is Chief Operating Officer. I currently work for Universal Health Services. It's a for-profit behavioral health um, healthcare service provider. I'm currently located in Tennessee, where I am at a facility that treats young sex offender, young children who have a history of sexual offenses, and we also have a sex trafficking program. I feel that I would gain a lot from this program. We are a trauma informed provide care provider. That is one of the main staples of many of our facilities. So by completing this course, it will really help me to make informed decisions around some of our therapeutic models, and also I hope to be able to gain insight on how to improve some of our processes. Um, Three ways I plan to care for myself is one, I signed up for monthly massages. I found that it just helps me to kind of defrag and separate myself from the world a little bit. I also have signed up for a boxing class. So I hope to kind of release some of my uh, anxiety or frustrations that I may get throughout the day because I do have a pretty stressful job. The third way is just to take time to relax and meditate in my room in private. I started to listen to something called relax sleep sounds, and it really helps me at night to be able to kind of disconnect. My brain tends to like really go all over the place at night, and it would affect my sleep prior to me doing that. So that's the ways I plan to take care of myself. I look forward to this class and working with you all. Thanks.